Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. You guys are doing fine. Welcome back to today's episode. Welcome back to today's video, and hope you're enjoying my videos. And I'm so glad that you're enjoying because I do this with lots of passion. So welcome to this channel, and if you're new in this channel, please hit that subscribing button, share, comment, and like, and ask me a question. As for today, I'm going to start this my topic by answering a question. There is this one person who asked me about breastfeeding bras. What I can advise you here is just these breastfeeding bras are being sold in shops. You can go to shops whereby they sell bras and just ask for a breastfeeding bra. It's sometimes you find it. Don't look for very tight bras, but look for a well-fitting bra, because you know that when you are breastfeeding, first of all, your breasts are full and they are heavy. So look for something that is well fitting but not too tight, because once you tie that thing too tight, and when time for breastfeeding comes, you know the milk starts forming. When the milk is forming and you have tightened your breast so tight, it's going to hurt you, and you're going to feel that pain. Because I remember when I was breastfeeding, sometime when maybe I'm from work, when I remove that bra, you feel the heaviness of your breast and they are really hurting. So what you can do, just look for a well-fitting bra, or if you have this the breastfeeding bra whereby they have an opening where if you want to breastfeed maybe in public or outside your house, you can just open it and then you are able to breastfeed. So just look for something which is well fitting. But then the other thing is, when you are breastfeeding, remember that most of the time your breasts are leaking. So I'll encourage you, when you're putting on your bra, make sure that you put those breastfeeding pads. They're these small pads whereby they're being sold in those shops where they sell bras. You can ask for those breastfeeding bras. You can ask for breast pads. They're all there. So they'll just give you that a breast pad, and then you'll just put it on your breast and then wear your bra. That's why I'm saying that make sure that you have a well-fitting bra which is not very tight, because once it's very tight, it's going to hurt you. So make sure that, and remember that when you are breastfeeding is so different from the time when you're not breastfeeding. When you're for me, I'm not breastfeeding, so you can see my breasts are softy and floppy. I can say they are very soft. But when the time was breastfeeding, they are not of this size and they are not as soft as this. You find that they are big, they are large, because they are having milk, they are producing food for my baby. So of course they were so big and so full. So in that time, for me, I used to put on bras when I was outside my house. Just like even of now, I don't put on bra when I'm inside my house. But when maybe I'm going out, maybe I'm going to work, of course I'll wear a bra. But when I'm inside the house, I never used to wear a bra. Reasons being that, of course, you breastfeed after 2 hours. So will you be removing the bras all the time? And that's why I'm also encouraging you to buy that bra where there is this an opening, because it helps you. But even if you don't get that one which has got an opening, you have just this normal bra, still you can wear your bra and still breastfeed. So I hope this question has been answered. What is the best bra to wear when you are breastfeeding? For me, I'll just encourage you to wear a well-fitting bra that is you feel comfortable, because first of all, even your shopping list will change. You will not use, there are those who just use those bras that they have been wearing before pregnancy, and now they are produced, they are still fitting in those, you are trying to make it fit. You're like, no, my breasts have not grown. My dear, when you're breastfeeding, your breasts change completely. They become on another level. They change completely. So when you are breastfeeding, make sure that you're having a very well-fitting bra, but not too tight. Make sure that you're having I'll encourage you also to, when you're breastfeeding, don't look for bras where they've got these small stripes. For me, this is just my encouragement to you. Look for bras that have got larger stripes. You know, these stripes that whereby there are those which are very, very, very tight, very small and thin. That means they're not going to hold your breast so properly. They're not going to hold them because the stripes are so thin. Anyway, it also depends on the size of your breast. If your breasts are not so blessed like mine, if you have got very small breasts, then you can wear those ones with small stripes. But if you have got bigger breasts, I'll encourage you to wear bras that have got they say the stripes are not so tiny, not so thin. Just look for bras that have got nice large stripes, because they'll hold you, they'll support they'll help you support your breast properly without any difficult, or without any problem, or without any, because my dear, during breastfeeding, it's not an easy job, I can say. It's something that which is very difficult, so it needs perseverance. It needs to be encouraged. It needs to somebody to just say that you're doing it great, you're doing it well, because you know when we are talking, it's different from the reality, I can say that. So for whoever has asked that question, just look for a well-fitting bra. Look for those bras that have got an opening when you're breastfeeding. Look for a bra that is well-fitting. Look for something that is comfortable for you. And make sure that when you are inside your house, feel free with your breast, my dear. For me, I don't care. No matter how big my breast, I just don't care. When I'm breastfeeding, my breast, when I'm in my house, this is what I wear. Only my t-shirt, but my breasts are still there. I have not put any bra or anything when I'm inside the house. But when I'm out, when I've gone to work, of course I'll wear a bra. But then what about who is breastfeeding? Make sure that you put something which is loose, which is not very tight, so that can help you from not making your breast become so tight, and they will hurt you, they will pain. You'll feel those piercings. You know, sometimes when the breast milk is so much in your breast, I used to feel some piercings. You're like, what's happening to me? You feel those piercings. Why? Because there's too much breast milk, and then you have tied your breast so hard. So you'll feel those piercings, and they're not very comfortable. So for me, my encouragement to that person who asked, just look for a well-fitting bra, a bra that will help you breastfeed comfortably, a bra that will not make you discomfort, make you feel so tight. Sometimes you because the breasts are so big and you have tightened them, you even can't breathe well. Why? These are you, this is you, this is me, this is my breast, and nobody should judge me on how I leave my breast. They are mine. So even you who is breastfeeding, you're a great mom. Just put on something that is comfortable on your side. Don't take people's opinions that your breasts are looking so big. Put something so tight so that you can make them look a little bit smaller. Come on here, just put something that is very comfortable on your side. I hope today's information has helped you. You who is breastfeeding, you are a great mom. Don't look at the size of your breast. As long as you are breastfeeding, you are a great mom and you can make it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now. Love you guys.